Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam and get a chance to get 100% scholarship and cash awards for class 7 to 12. Admissions are open for repeaters medical for NEET 2023.
We give a guarantee to you that if we are getting an opportunity, if you are giving mandate to the MLA, mandate to the MP or whatever it may be, is duty bound to serve the people. So we supreme, people are supreme, and work hard for the betterment of our people. That is a basic motive behind our constitution and our parliamentary democracy system.
राज्यपालान लोकांक मदत करपा फाटली काणी सांगली.
Last September, the Rajput declared that governor has got a discretionary fund. So many small funds are there. Instead of, for example, for tour of the governor and his family, some amount is set apart for that purpose. So we have decided, I don't want to tour with my family to foreign countries and other countries for the enjoyment of tourism for my wife, children and grandchildren, etc., etc. So we declared that, Rajput declared that we will serve the people and our fund, discretionary fund, not the other fund, discretionary fund is going to be utilized for the purpose of helping the people.
बाणावलेच्या नुस्तेकारांनी तांचे इशू राज्यपाला मुखार मांडले.
200 meters there is fisherman department land which is 55,000 square meters. We ask fishermen, we ask MLA, our MLA to help us, give us only 5,000 square meter to take care of our boats.
प्रुडंटा खातीर 6 डायस.